Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of you. Today in the Ramadan series, I'm going to show you how to make pineapple delight. Pineapple delight is a rich and sweet no-bake dessert full of tangy and sweet pineapple, rich cream and buttery sweet filling. It's easy to make and with just a few ingredients. So let's get started. For making this dessert, I have taken sugar around half a cup. I have taken powdered sugar, you can take normal sugar also. Then I have taken half a pack of digestive biscuits, here you can see. Then tutti frutti around half a cup, you can adjust less or more, or even you can skip it if you don't have. Malted butter around 1 tablespoon, chopped almonds and cashews, they will give a good mouthfeel. And I have taken fresh cream around 1 cup. Fresh cream that's available in the market, I have used that. Whipped cream is used in this, but nowadays it's locked down, so whipped cream is not available everywhere, so I have used fresh cream. For that I have kept it in the fridge overnight, then I have used it and you can see it's quite thick. Then I have taken pineapple chopped small pieces, here you can see it's 1 cup. And I have taken pineapple essence. I'll be using a drop of pineapple essence. This is also optional, if you don't have you can skip it. First thing, I have grinded the digestive biscuits, here you can see. Then I'll add melted butter to it, and then we'll be placing it in the container that we are going to add pineapple delight later. This will make the bottom layer of pineapple delight. Here you can see we have to press it so that it gets completely pressed and it will form one layer. Now I'll keep it in the fridge, till then we'll make other ingredients ready. So here you can see. Now in a mixing bowl I have taken fresh cream. I had kept it in fridge overnight, that's why it's so thick, and I have taken just the thick part. Then I'll be adding sugar to it. We'll give it a good mix. Then I have added tutti frutti. Tutti frutti is optional, you can skip it. And then I have added pineapple slices, almonds, and around 2 drops of pineapple essence. This is optional, if you don't have you can skip it, but it gives good pineapple flavor. Mix it properly, mix all the ingredients properly. Here you can check sugar, if you feel it has less sugar you can adjust more. And then we will be placing it in the container in which we added biscuits. Here you can see like this. You can do layering also. If you are taking larger quantity you can add layers of biscuit, and then again this cream, and then again a layer of biscuit, or you can add chocolates. You can add any ingredient of your choice. If you are making for kids you can add chocolates too. Now I'll smoothen the surface, here you can see, and I will refrigerate it for around 4 hours or overnight. I have refrigerated overnight. Now I'll be garnishing it with a slice of pineapple, some cherries, and I have added some almonds. You can garnish it the way you want, and our super cool and refreshing pineapple delight is ready. Here the super easy and delightful pineapple delight is ready. Give this recipe a try, let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching, have a good day.